Intelligent streetlights, a new generation setting a benchmark with 190 lumens per watt efficiency. The intelligent streetlight is up to 70% more energy efficient than traditional high-pressure sodium lamps. Approximately 35% more energy efficient than standard LED lights. It can be equipped with light controllers, including Zigbee, LoRa, and Cat.1 for enhanced smart control. The street lamp is managed through a centralized platform, supporting the Internet of Things to build a smart city. Brightness adjustment, remote switching, time brightness setting for energy saving, fault alarm, electricity usage statistics, tool-free and easy maintenance. Various sizes for pole installation. Adjustable angles, -5 degrees, 0 degrees, +5 degrees, +10 degrees, +15 degrees, customizable for different lane configurations. Different lanes can be developed with different light. Certified information. Let's create a greener world together with our smart, energy-saving streetlights, delivering sustainable solutions for a brighter future.